I just want to say a quick word about cardboard and upholstery. A lot of my beginner students are surprised when they find cardboard in their upholstery project. So I'm going to show you an example of a project that someone didn't use cardboard in, and then I'll give you an example of using cardboard in upholstery and how it improves the look of it. Here's an example of a piece that should have cardboard in the back of it and does not, and it's obvious something's missing. Here's the piece, not the same piece, but a similar piece with the cardboard on it. Here's an inside look showing how the cardboard is attached to a curved inside back. Depending on your frame style, you may need to piece the cardboard together. Once you get your back padding on, you won't be able to see any of those seams. In this chair, you can see how that subtle curve is carried through to the finished piece. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below this video.